Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day and you're staying happy and healthy. Today we are going to be learning about photosynthesis. This recording will go over what the process of photosynthesis is and how plants get food. Throughout the recording, I will pause and ask you guys a total of 4 questions which you will answer on the sheet provided. I hope you enjoy.
Photosynthesis. Let's learn about photosynthesis. Plants make their food with the help of many things. Plants get their raw material for photosynthesis from the soil, the air, and the sun. Oh, look!
So your first question is, what do plants get their raw material from?
It started raining. When it rains, water gets absorbed into the soil. The plants take in the water from the soil through its roots. In the roots, there are tubes, which are called the xylem and the phloem. The xylem lies towards the interior part of the root, whereas the phloem lies towards the exterior part of the root. These tubes help in bringing water and minerals from the soil to its leaves. Leaves breathe in carbon dioxide.
Your second question is, what are the tubes in the plant's roots called? Where are they in the plant and what do they do?
From tiny pores, which are called stomata, which are on the underside of the leaf. The stomatas are like the windows in the room for plants because it allows air to get in. And here comes the sun, one more important factor for photosynthesis. So, now we know plants need 3 things for photosynthesis: carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. Now the process will start.
Question number 3 is, what 3 things do plants need for photosynthesis?
Most of the action takes place in the leaves of the plant. If we cut a leaf and observe it under a microscope, we see that right below the outer layer of cells, there is a layer of soft, elongated cells called mesophyll cells. Inside the mesophyll cells, we see tiny nodes, which are called chloroplast. Chloroplast contains a special chemical called chlorophyll. It is chlorophyll which colors the leaves green. Chlorophyll absorbs red and blue light from the sunlight that falls on leaves. Therefore, the light reflected by the leaves is diminished in red and blue and appears green. When the light energy from the sun is captured by the chloroplast, it's stored in stalks called a granum, in which is a thylakoid membrane. In these membranes, the chemical reaction of photosynthesis takes place. So, remember,
Your last question is, how do the leaves of the plants make glucose? Explain all the steps. If you guys need extra room, feel free to go onto the back of the page.
carbon dioxide plus water plus sun gives you glucose plus oxygen. The glucose, or sugar, is the food which the plant has made for itself and is distributed to all parts of the body, and oxygen is a waste gas, which the plants breathe out. People and animals use this very oxygen to breathe and continue living. We, in turn, exhale the carbon dioxide needed by plants, and the cycle continues.
Great job today, guys. If you have any questions or need help, my contact information is on the sheet, your homework sheet, and feel free to reach out to me. Have a great rest of your day.